In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add swing highs, lows, and candle patterns in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and that you have a chart open for the market you want to analyze. This can be any market you like, such as Forex, stocks, or crypto. Having the chart visible is important because we're going to overlay indicators directly onto the price action, so you can see swing points and patterns in real time. Now, let's start by opening the Indicators menu. Look towards the top of your TradingView chart, just above the main price window. You'll see a button labeled Indicators. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the full indicator library, which is where TradingView keeps all of its built-in tools, community scripts, and your own favorites. Once the Indicators panel pops up, direct your attention to the search box at the top of that window. Click into the search box so your cursor is active there. This is where you're going to type in exactly what you're looking for, instead of scrolling through long lists of indicators. In the search box, start typing the keywords related to swing highs, swing lows, and candle patterns. For example, you might type swing high, swing low, or candle pattern. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the available indicators and scripts that match your search. You'll see a list of options appear below the search bar. From here, choose the specific indicator that fits your trading style. You might select one indicator that marks swing highs and lows directly on the chart, and another that highlights popular candlestick patterns. When you click on an indicator name, it will immediately be added to your chart, and you should see visual markers appear on the candles. If you don't see anything right away, try zooming in or scrolling back in time a bit to find where the indicator has drawn signals. You can fine-tune each indicator by hovering over its name at the top left of the chart and clicking on the settings icon. This opens the properties window where you can adjust things like sensitivity, colors, and which candle patterns you want to highlight. Take a moment to customize these settings so the chart is clear and not overloaded with signals. If you're not yet on TradingView Pro and you want access to the full feature set, check out the affiliate link in the description. Using that link helps support the channel and gives you all the tools you need to apply these swing highs, lows, and candle patterns effectively in your own trading.